Hello dear students. Today we are going to talk about phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the new phylum. The Arthropoda means the jointed foot. So jointed foot. These are the animals which are having joints in their appendages, that is feet. This is considered to be the largest phylum on earth. It means that about 75% of all known animal species are related to this phylum. It means that these animals are 75% and all other animal species are only 25%. So it's a huge phylum, very, very large. Here you can see a scorpion, one member of it, insects, one of the largest group of animals included. So this phylum includes insects, spiders, crustaceans, millipedes, scorpions, ticks, etc., and so many more. So this phylum includes many animals, many animals, huge number of species on Earth. If we talk about their characteristics, uh, first thing that we should talk about that this is considered to be the most successful phylum. As we know that these are 75% of all living animal species. It means that these are very successful animals on Earth, and these organisms are present all over. These are present in water, these are present in soil, these are present in ocean, these are present in sea, these are present on land. Each and every habitat they they are successful over there. So these are found in ecologically diverse habitats of almost of all kinds. These are present in deserts, in water, in on hills. They're everywhere. In forests, they're everywhere. Uh, like in arid regions. Um, these are adapted to air, land, freshwater, marine, and everywhere. So this is it means that these are very successful animals on Earth. So what are the characteristics which make them such successful group of animals on Earth? Here you can see a larva, here you can see a spider spinning a web. So there are a few specific features about these organisms, the arthropods, which make them such specific, such special that they are very successful. One thing is their versatile exoskeleton. We know that they are having an exoskeleton, skeleton that is external to their skin, or we can say integument, which is actually part of the integument, but they are having an extra layer. Their efficient locomotion. As we know that they have jointed appendages. Now these joints in appendages give them extreme flexibility in moving in all kinds of different environmental conditions, situations, and places. So then they are having third thing is this, that they are having what we call a tracheal system. That is, they have air pipes which directly take the air inside and put this air close to the cells so that cells can directly absorb the air. This is a very efficient system regarding them to give them energy so that they can utilize it. Then they're highly developed sensory organs. They are the organisms which are having highly developed sensors. You can, if you see an insect, you remember any ant going here and there and finding a sugar, just a small piece of sugar present on any faraway place. If you see when they come close to the sugar piece of a sugar like that or anything like that, you can see their antenna moving here and there on their head. Um, they do have eyes which are compound eyes, and they are having many sensory organs which are very highly developed to sense the environment around them. This also makes them very successful animals because they can sense the environment, record the environment, and then they can um, definitely respond to it in a more effective way. Then their complex behavior. These are quite a social animal, quite social animals. Their behaviors are very complex. It means they have capability to deal with the environment in a very good manner, in a more effective manner. So this also makes them very successful. We'll talk about them. We'll elaborate on these characteristics further. Then metamorphosis. They have a specific capability. See, morpho means space. See, so morpho means the form. They actually change their forms during lifetime. That is, They become when they have to reproduce, they make larvae and pupae and then become adult. So they have many life stages. This also give them an evolutionary advantage. Now we'll talk about them, these characteristics and a few more, one by one, in next set of video or PPT. Thank you.